today we will learn a verb. So what is verb actually? Verb is a word, okay, that show action, state, condition and being. So anything which we are doing, we call action, that is called verb, right? Simple. So basically I have note, okay. So actually run, eat, write, cycling. So whatever the work we are doing, right, that is called action and that is called a verb. Second is, am, are. This is also a verb. This is a helping verb. We will learn later. Note, without verb, no sentence can form. As we also learned, without noun, no sentence can form. So it's same like that. Okay, like Ram is a boy, right? So here you see is a helping verb. So in this sentence, at least one verb is used. If we don't use verb like Ram a boy, there is a no correct sentence, right? So at least one verb is needed to make any sentence. Now we will learn type of verb. So there are many types of verbs, like mostly like 8 9 types of verb is there. So first type is main verb. Okay, so what is main verb? Main verb is like main action word of the sentence. So any sentence is given to you, so in that sentence at least one, it's not mandatory, but you can see the main verb. And how you recognize, like you see the main action, like Ram is eating, he sleeps, so sleeps is a verb, main verb. Ram is eating, so eating is a main verb. For example, like I am going, so going is again a main verb, so it's like that. The second types of verb is a helping verb. As I already mentioned, like is, am, are, was, were, has, have. These are the helping verb. Helping verb helps the main verb to form sentence. Helping verb helps the main verb to follow to form a sentence. For example, he is playing cricket. So playing is a main verb, and is a helping verb. So here is helping the main verb. Like he is playing. So is a helping verb and playing is the main verb. So he is playing football. So it's simple. Third is a modal verb. Okay, so what is modal verb? Okay, so it show ability, possibility, permission and obligation. It shows the ability. Ability is what? Ability like, I can do, I can make this thing, that is ability. Possibility like it may rain, it can happen, this is possibility. Permission is like, may I go out sir, may I come in sir, this is permission. Obligation is also, it's like asking for the, or obey the rule. So I'm telling you, can is a modal verb. Okay, this is ability, showing ability. And the example can be, I can swim, I can run. May show possibility, like it may rain, it may happen, so possibility. Must is necessity, must is necessity. So must is again a modal verb. So like you must eat, you must have this thing. Should is advise, like you should go, you should respect your parents. So can, may, must, should, these are modal verb. So yeah, again. Now fourth types of verb is a transitive verb. Transitive verbs need object. Like in a sentence, it's not mandatory to have a object, but here it's need object to use transitive verb. For example, he eats rice. So here eats is again the main verb and rice is object, right? She writes letter, right? So here letter is object, right? So in this sentence we can say that eats, writes is a transitive verb. This is already main verb, but in this sentence this is a transitive verb because in this sentence object is getting used, right? So now fifth type is intransitive verb. It's very simple, like where no object is needed in the sentence. For example, he sleeps, she eats. So here she eats what? It's not mandatory, right, to make a sentence. This is also right, she eats only, right? So eats is again main verb and there is no need to object. So this eats, like she eats, so this eats is intransitive verb, right? Now Seventh is irregular verb. Irregular verb is nothing but like we see, like, go, went, go, eat, ate, eaten. So this is not like a, kind of, sequence wise, right? um, like in regular verb, which is a sixth type, the verb changes with ed in past, like play. If we see play in verb 2, the played. If we see work in the past, so worked, so it comes with the ed, so it's kind of sequence, right? So that's why we are calling regular verb, like verb changes with ed in the past. And irregular verb, which is not like, regular, so it's like go, went, go, eat, ate, eaten. So it's like that. Now, eight types of verb which we see is a finite verb. So finite verb is like verb that changes with subject. For example, he plays cricket. Okay, so here what is subject? He. Okay, so he is a singular. So singular verb is used. So plays, plays. Okay, now uh, they eat. Okay, so here they is a plural, so again plural verb is used. So eat, they eat. It will not like they eats, no. Plural verb, plural noun, so plural verb is used. Plural sub noun, singular noun, so singular verb will be used. So it's totally same, right? Noun is can be subject in a sentence. Now the last is non-finite verb. Okay. Before this we learned finite verb. Finite verb is like verb that changes with object. Now non-finite verb is verb that doesn't change with subject. For example, to eat, this is infinitive. Like eating, going, having, this is gerund actually. Like running boy, so this is the example. Okay, we will definitely learn it later.